Hi everyone. Definition of present perfect tense. Actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past. Actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Recent actions with a result in the present. Structure. Subject plus have. Has plus past participle. Example: I have completed my homework. 5 sentences using present perfect tense. 1. She has achieved great success in her career. 2. They have visited several countries over the past few years. 3. Has written 3 novels so far. 4. I have never experienced such a breathtaking view before. 5. We have just finished preparing for the party. Vocabulary from sentences. 1. Achieved, successfully reached a goal. 2. Visited, gone to a place. 3. Written, created something in writing. 4. Experienced, felt or lived through something. 5. Breathtaking, extremely beautiful or exciting. Mini quiz. Fill in the blanks. Answers. 1. She has completed her project on time. 2. I have never seen such a beautiful sunset before. 3. They have visited this museum 3 times already. 4. He has read that book many times. 5. We have not finished our homework yet. Essay practice. 10 sentences. Title: My life's experiences. I have traveled to many places and have met amazing people along the way. I have learned a lot from different cultures and traditions. Over the years, I have worked hard to achieve my dreams. I have always believed in the power of education and personal growth. Recently, I have started a new hobby, which has brought me great joy. I have also developed strong relationships with my family and friends. Many challenges have come, but I have overcome them with patience and determination. I have never given up, no matter how tough life has been. These experiences have shaped me into the person I am today. I have realized that life is a journey full of opportunities and lessons. Vocabulary from essay. 1. Traveled, gone from one place to another. 2. Cultures, ways of life or traditions of different groups of people. 3. Believed, accepted as true or trusted. 4. Overcome, successfully dealt with a challenge or problem. 5. Determination, the strength to keep going despite difficulties.